Here's another update on my RM250. I got the crank back from Surf and Turf Racing in Connecticut. And they put a new connecting rod, new main bearing, a new pin for $200, which I thought was pretty good. Shipping included. Now I just gotta have my cylinder sent out to Power Seal USA, and they're gonna replate it, I think, for $180. Then I gotta pay another $40 to $50 out of those screws rethreaded. I stripped them out. I tried to take them out myself, and this made more of a problem. And I gotta pay $20 out of those studs removed. So I'll probably have like $350 into it, which is more than I want to pay. But no, $250. I mean, whoops. I'm not very good at math. Then I got my new seal kit, $85 for this. All new gaskets, all new seals, complete. Then I got a service manual for $3. I went on an eBay auction. I'm pretty happy with it. Tells you everything you need to know. Let's see if you can see it. The frame still looks the same. I've started to sand it down, but I think I'm gonna have like aircraft stripper, put that on it, and I'll take the paint right off. Still looks the same. Well, here you go. I'll have another one soon, I hope.